know I should not be singing. Anyways, so today's gonna be like a mini tutorial on another eye look for the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I've already done a first impressions and a look with this palette. I will link it down below and include it in a tag. So make sure you check that out and keep watching if you want to see a different look made with this same palette. I'm going to try to keep it short and sweet. I've already obviously done my brows. I have not gone to get my brows threaded, so they're kind of bushy today, but I went within and I tried to shape them so that they look like sisters, not cousins. And I went ahead and primed with my Wet n Wild concealer, and I set that primer down with Desert Sand from the palette. So now let's get into it. Hey y'all, it's nice to have y'all close and personal. So we're going to start off our look with the shade Musk. And I'm just going to take a little tapered type blending brush and rub that into my crease. Just going back and forward. Back and forward. Yeah, back and forward. And you know what you do to one eye, you must do to the other. We got to match it. And I decided to kind of bring that shade down a little bit closer to my lash line, just to kind of make it more of a transition gradient type thing. Now I'm going in with the shade Amber, and I'm going over top the same shade that I just put on my eyes. I'm just fluffing it out a little bit more over the top. I decided to smoke out, so I'm adding my tape. Okay, from this point on, I'm basically going to be showing you just one eye for the most part. Now I'm going into the shade Saffron, and I am starting to build that into the outer corner, just really building that color up and slowly bringing it in towards the inner corner. I want to create that gradient effect. After that, I go back into the shade Eden with the same fluffy brush and kind of blend the edges out. Now I'm going into the shade Blazing, and I want to bring that into my inner corner. And now back to the shade Musk and adding that atop of Blazing. Now I'm going into the shade Cashmere. Here's where I tried to put it on with my finger, and it didn't come out bad, but I wanted it to pop a little bit more, so I added some setting spray onto the brush after I picked up the color. Like I said, I really want it to pop, so I'm making sure I'm packing, and I really mean pack. Do not swipe. You will not get the same color payoff. I am going into the shade Ode. I don't know how to say it. O-U-D. Ode. And really packing that in as well into the outer corner. Alright, now onto the bottom lash line. I'm going to be taking Blazing and working that on the outer corner. Bringing it in towards the middle. Stopping around the middle. I know these are not the best clips, and I'm sorry. Remember, no viewfinder, so I cannot tell when I'm in the frame or not. Picking up now the shade Saffron and going over the Blazing shade and just bringing it in just a tad bit more on the center. After that, I am going into Ode, O-U-D, and putting that into the outer corner, kind of connecting that winged effect. Now Musk, and I'm using Musk to kind of blend everything together so it doesn't look so harsh. And I'm using Desert Sand on my inner corner so that I can put champagne on top of that and make it pop. So go ahead and pack that in. Just keep on packing. Then back with a denser brush just to really deepen that out. And that, my friends, is the final look. Yeah, winky wink. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Here's my finished look. Like I said in my first video, and again, I have the link down below, I'm very happy with this palette. I know that there's so many looks that you can create with it. So here's just another look different from the first one I did. But like I said in my first video, if there's any specific colors that you want to see be used, please comment down below and I will make a video with a look using those colors. And yeah, don't forget to comment, subscribe, like, and share. Until next time.